Greetings. Up for sale today, the Chevy Nova. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really an outrageous shape. Brand new tires all the way around. Silver with black interior. It's a sleeper. It's got a Merlin 680 engine. It's got the Hurst Shifter. Really upgraded. Very nice. Beautiful condition inside and out. Really an outstanding shape. Let's go ahead and take panel by panel and we'll show you the condition of the vehicle. Very nice. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Does have some normal wear and tear here on the chrome. Very nice overall. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Take a look at the front grille and bumper. Chrome's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Grille looks very nice. Look at that. Really an outstanding shape. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Really an outstanding condition. Look at that. Does have a little imperfection here on the paint. It was touched up. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Really an outstanding shape. Very nice condition. Also a little bit of wear and tear here on this chrome. Besides that, looks perfect. Taking a look at the driver door. Door's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Really an outrageous condition. Look at that. Has a little bit of wear and tear here on the mirrors. Nothing major. Very nice condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side, really an outstanding shape. Clean throughout, very nice. Does have a small little scratch right here. A little bit of wear and tear on that chrome there. Looks very nice overall. Taking a look at the roof. Roof's in beautiful condition. Nothing to show there. Really an outstanding shape. Front glass, also in beautiful condition. Looks perfect. Beautiful shape. Just walking around the back. Take a look at the trunk lid. Trunk looks in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice. No marks, nothing to show there. Very, very clean. Rear glass, outstanding condition. Take a look at those chrome pieces. These are in really beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Look at that. Outstanding. Take a look at the rear bumper and the lights. Really an outrageous shape. Look at that. Really nice condition. Clean throughout. Very nice. Lights look good. Really in beautiful shape. Taking a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side. Really an outstanding condition. Very nice. Super, super clean. This chrome's actually in very good condition. Very nice shape. Passenger door. Outstanding shape. Very nice. Mirror looks good. Very nice condition on that chrome there. Beautiful shape. Front fender on the passenger side, outstanding condition, very clean. Does have a little blemish here on the paint. Nothing major, and like we said before, it has a little bit of markings here on the chrome. Besides that, it looks perfect. Really in beautiful condition. Very nice. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We're taking a look at the door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really nice shape. Looks brand new. Outstanding condition. Very nice. Take a look at the driver's seat. Beautiful condition. Really nice. It's got a rubber floor. Floor's in beautiful condition, as you can see there. Dashboard's in really nice shape. It's got all these extra gauges on it. We'll go look at that in a moment. Really outstanding condition. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Also in beautiful shape. Super, super clean. Look at that. Very nice. We're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel is in outstanding condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Extra, extra clean. Take a look at the front seat, also in beautiful condition. It's got the rubber floor in this one, very nice shape, super clean. Dashboard looks brand new, really in outstanding condition. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Really nice, look at that. Super clean inside. Very nice shape. Sitting inside this 1969 Chevy Nova. Gonna go and start this up. Starts up perfect, look at that. Really nice. Listen to this thing idle. It's a monster. Really nice vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look. We'll of course have this upgraded tachometer there they added to the vehicle. It shows here 51,369 miles. It's got a, I'm guessing AM/FM cassette. Control for the lights, the wipers, emergency brake. It's got the Hurst shifter here. Really nice. It's got a temperature for the water and for the oil pressure. Look at that. Really nice, beautiful condition. Look at the dashboard on this thing. Looks brand new. Really outstanding shape. Let's take a look up above. Liners in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Really in beautiful shape. The visors look good. They're not worn up or beat up in any way. They look brand new. Very nice. Really well kept. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Steering wheel's nice and smooth. The power steering that it has feels really good. Very nice condition. Super clean. Glove box is in beautiful condition, nice and clean there. Seat belts, seats are really nice. This mirror has a little bit of wear and tear on it, nothing major. Drives beautiful. A lot of power, man. Stay tuned, we're gonna take it for a little test drive. Really nice. Okay, we're all ready to take it for a little test drive. Put it in gear and let's go. Really good. Really nice ride. Going about 50 miles an hour. Gauges, everything's fully functional. Really nice. Suspension feels good, nice and smooth. Alright, stay tuned. We're going to take a look in the trunk, take a look under the engine and under the vehicle. Okay, listen to that engine purr. You can hear it running really nice there. It's got headers, dual exhaust. Sounds like a monster. Really nice. Taking a look under the hood of this Nova. Look at this. Beautiful engine. Look at that. Upgraded. Really in outstanding condition. MSD ignition. This I believe is a 680. A lot of horsepower. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Very, very nice. It's got headers done to it. I mean, this thing is souped up. A lot of work done to it. Looks amazing. Very, very nice. Let's take a look at the hood inside. It's really clean. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the trunk area. Trunk area is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at this. Very nice shape. Really in outstanding condition. Let's take a closer look. Very nice condition. Take a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Brand new tire. Look at that. Cooper Cobra radial. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Rim looks really nice. Cap looks good. Really in nice shape. Take a look at that. Beautiful condition. Taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks brand new. Beautiful condition. BF Goodrich in the back. Take a look at those caps. Really in outstanding shape. Rim looks good. Very nice condition. This tire in the back, brand new tire. Look at that. Really in outstanding shape. Tire looks perfect. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Hubcap looks good. Very nice. All original. Look at that. Tire in the front on the passenger side. Looks like a brand new tire. Really nice. Look at that tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Hubcap looks amazing. Very nice. Look at that. It's got a tiny little dimple right there, but it looks perfect regardless. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 1969 Nova. Really in outstanding shape. Beautiful condition inside and out. If you do have any questions for this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call. 786-431-9046. Thank you very much.